I've done a little bit of research, and before urbanist architecture, it all seemed very complicated to me. I'm an architect and not a planner, and all the forms and the communication with the council just seemed a little bit overwhelming. But with urbanist architecture, again, I found this very easy and seamless. I had only one point of contact, which was fully understanding my needs and what we needed to get out of this project, and I didn't have to go through any application or any communication with further parties, and that a lot of the time simplifies the process. It is important to feel that you have a partner on your side rather than somebody who is just saying on every single request you may have a no. So a lot of the practices that we approached in the past, they had said that, oh, you know, we can't do this for structural reasons. But I think that with urbanist architecture, I think we maximize the potential of this house, which is great to know.